In this video, we will learn how to align object in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint, and here I'm going to add one slides. So I just click on the new slides and click on the blank slides. Now I insert here the some shapes. Just click on the insert, and here the illustration group have a shape option. Just click on the shape drop down arrow, and here I insert first circle. Okay, then I again select the different shapes here. The click on the insert, click on the shapes, and here select the different shapes. Okay, I set here, so this is a way, and these shapes I want to align. Okay, so I just click on the any shape. With this shape you can see the shape format tab also added. So in the arrange group have a align option. Just click on this drop down arrow. You can see the number of alignment of the shapes available. Just click on the align left. You can see the left side did align it. Center, you can see the center side is aligned the shapes. And here, okay, next align right. You can see right side is alignment. Here you can see only one shape is selected. When I select the both shape, to select the both shape you can press the control key of the keyboard and select the second shapes also. You can now see the both shape is selected. Now in shape format have align option. Just click on this drop down arrow. Now just click on the align center. The both shape will align in center, same as I select the different option. Align top, you can see the both shape is aligned on top. Align bottom, you can see the both shapes is aligned on bottom side. Again I select align middle, you can see the both shape is aligned on middle side. So this is a way you can align your shape by selection. If you want to only align the one shape, you can only align the one shape, and if you want to multiple shape align, so you can easily use the alignment. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.